All right, today we're going to bring a camera. This is an indoor camera. Now, this one is remote. You could remote into it. It has a wide view because it actually rotates, if you guys can see that. Now, prior to setting up, you want to maybe get a memory card so you could capture some of the moments if you want, or you could pay the cloud services. Now, they do give the manual. It comes with instructions, a barcode where to download the actual app too, and then a brick. And of course, you can mount this upside down in the ceiling, and you can actually clip on here in the bottom. And then they give the mounts here too. Now, if you guys can see, this one rotates up and down in the bottom of it. And right here, you have the actual reset button and you have the micro SD card, all right? So that's underneath of it. Now, the cable tether, you don't have to worry about tripping it or anything else. It's built in the system. There's two-way audio, of course, and you go view your surroundings. You don't have to worry about anything in it, or as long as you don't have anything obstructing the actual view, right? So this one, I'm going to show you how it works and how you remote control it and how you set it up. All right, here's the name of the app. We're going to install it. So we're going to set it up by doing the scan code, all right? So let's go ahead and set that up. I'm not going to show you the code. All right, it just made a noise right now. Now from red, it went to green. I just had to reset the actual system itself. You have to hold it down for 5 seconds and it makes a noise. So let's go ahead and set it up. Now I have to set up the Wi-Fi. All right, now I'm going to show a barcode to the actual system and see how it works. And it made a noise and it picked up the actual barcode. Hit next. All right, I'm going to show you some of the features that the camera has. All right, I'm remotely first. You can so up and down. All right, left. I'm going to see how much it goes. Oh, almost around. Then go back. Pretty cool. I like that. Look at that. Oh, 360. The whole thing goes around. So I like this. And it has tracking too. So it tracks people's faces if you want to set up the AI. If you set up a memory card, there's going to be you're going to capture a lot of video on it, history and cloud. And then let's go back in here. You got a lot of more options in here. You could set up certain things, names, change the names. You could get notifications every time some movement comes to happen. Now, just to let you know, if you have pets, this is going to notify you all the time. So you want to maybe change the sensitivity on this too. And there's a lot of features that you can do on here. So we're going to go back in here and set up and look at the setups. There's alarms, there's device share, image settings, installation, because you could set up the quality of it too. There's all these new things. Motion tracking is off right now, but I can always turn it on and it'll start tracking and capturing any kind of movement we have in here, which I like about that. And I'm actually going to set up a memory card on it too, so we could capture some of the moments, make sure our pets are eating. That's what we want to do, make sure our pets are eating. All right, on events, this system's going to start sending you notifications and start showing you a little clip of what's capturing. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.